Tina.
I'm Ross.
And today we have our review of the German food box. And this would be for October 2021. So this is their Oktoberfest special box. And if you're not familiar with German food box, it is a food subscription box with, of course, German food and snacks. It has gone up to about $50 a month, and I believe there's even shipping on top of it. So it's gotten very, very expensive. So this is probably our next to the last box. I did cancel the subscription, but I think we do have one more coming. So are you ready to take a look inside and see what we got in the Oktoberfest box?
You bet.
One thing we do like is it does come in a very sturdy wood grain box every month. And it's good because it is a fairly heavy box. They do send some heavy items.
And the box always looks the same. There's absolutely no change at all.
Sorry?
It's okay.
So they do send a recipe each month. Looks like this is for Krustenbraten. And they also have a guide now on what you get in the box. And this can be helpful because oftentimes there will be things to make recipes like packets, whether it's soup or a sauce, a simmer sauce. And it gives the instructions in English, which is helpful because the instructions are often in German. Sometimes they're in English, but a lot of times they're in German. So we need that help to translate the instructions. And you also get lots of this packing material. So let's see what we've got.
This looks very familiar.
It does. These block malts. We actually got this last year in our October box, and they're sort of like hard candies. I think they're supposed to be malt. Let's see if it's on
I think we still have some from last year.
We might. I think it got buried in the bottom of the cupboard and we forgot about them. Yeah, malt drops. So they actually were pretty good. They were tasty. I'll just have to remember to keep them out and eat them. But yeah, we have already tried them and they're fine. They're a hard candy. Next up, we have a packet by Maggi. We have used some of these to make various dinners. Mm-hmm. This is Zwiebel Rahm Schnitzel. We do like Schnitzel. I've never actually made. I made a Jaeger Schnitzel, but not with the coating on it. And we do like that. I don't know if it says anything else on the card about it. Onion Schnitzel. So that should be good. I think we will probably like that.
There's
right there.
Mild flavored sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut from Meldessa. And this reminds me of what we got last year, but it was in a can.
Yeah, I think this is actually the first time we've received sauerkraut in a pouch.
Yeah, that's a little different. Oh, I was kind of hoping it had one of those resealable...
Yeah.
Like the Ziploc on it so that we could save some, but it doesn't, unfortunately.
And actually... the text is all in English, so
there you go. We did enjoy the sauerkraut last time. We actually did a sauerkraut comparison video, and I will go ahead and link it right up there. And I know this was one of them we sampled, plus others from Germany and also from the United States. So if you want to check out our sauerkraut review, feel free to do that. So we've actually come to really like sauerkraut. I don't think we ate it that much before, but once we started sampling, I thought, this is tasty, and we've gotten some at the farmer's market, which was really tasty. It was a dill garlic, I think.
Yeah,
that was really good.
I agree. I think some of the better ones we picked up were from, at least my opinion, some of the better ones that we picked up were from farmers markets. Mm-hmm. It's like garlic. It's a dill and garlic.
Well, they're freshly made, local, and they're just really tasty.
Mm-hmm. Okay, something I think you'll like. I think we might have had that before too.
No, I don't recognize this one. Cutty, Fred Frickel. It's like little pigs.
I could have sworn we received gummy pigs before.
I don't recall receiving these gummy pigs.
Might not by the same name. Fred Frickel?
Fred Frickel. Yeah, it's just said Fred Frickel. So okay. I was going to see if it said anything about the flavor of them. I guess we'll find out. We can sample these.
Yep. This irritates me because I just picked up something like this. It might even be the exact same.
I think it is the exact same thing. Now, it shouldn't irritate you because obviously the people at German Food Box did not know that you bought this already.
Clearly. Nonetheless, now we have 2 boxes of
Cutty
German pretzel mix. I think we've seen some videos online where people actually try making this. It looks like it could be a fun thing to do together. So
I'm hoping they turn out nicely. I just don't know how difficult it will be. I don't know if it's hard to mix. We don't have a mixer, so it'll be a lot of hand mixing. But I do want to give these a try. And yeah, I think they might be good.
Yeah. If you've made them before, please leave a comment.
Yeah, let us know. These turn out well.
So 2 Romanian items. We have
another one we've gotten in past boxes. Schnitzel. So we've gotten this a few times, so I think we still have some left over. I mean, the nice thing is I have been making it, been trying different variations. It's really tasty. It's like a German version of mac and cheese, but you're using more German and Swiss type cheeses, and it's really good. And we've been doing onions on top. So these are definitely a tasty and very filling side dish. So, it's nice to have some Spätzle, but you can definitely get this, I'm sure, at Cost Plus as well.
And the last remaining tightly packed item. Well, we don't say no to Milka.
Yeah, these look familiar too. I think we did receive these in one of the boxes, the Milka Chocomoo. And they seem to send a lot of Milka in this box. And we don't really complain about that because we do like Milka products. But I think we got this exact same one maybe in that October box. And of course our big disappointment was we got some really good, I think it was the Honigurken, the honey pickles, and those were really good. Ross loved them. Yeah. That's one thing that we can't find locally, and we even looked on Amazon. I think it was either difficult to find or it was very expensive. So we really like getting stuff like that that's hard to get. So, do you want to sample? There's only a few things we can actually sample because other things we have to cook.
Hey, honey, let's try Red Firkle.
I want to try these because these I do not recognize. I know we've tried the others.
Yeah. Visual and butchering these bags.
It's really cute. It's a little pig face. Is it strawberry?
I think it is.
Seems like strawberry, yeah. These are actually a little chewier, I think, than some of the gummies we've had, like from Haribo and stuff.
I would agree.
They don't stick to your teeth too much.
Which is a plus. Yeah, these are good. Like I said, they're a little more firmer.
Yeah, those are nice. If you've watched our other videos, you know I love gummies, so I'll definitely be plowing through that bag.
Yeah. Not bad. Good.
I don't know if there's anything else you wanted to sample since we've tried some of yours.
Considering that we still have an open bag of these from a year ago.
We need to find that and finish it off if they're still good.
However, we both love Milka.
Milka.
So, if that was to somehow open and be available, I wouldn't say no.
You would not say no. Now, my hope is that these are still in one piece. We'll see.
Yes. Milk chocolate top biscuits. Product of Poland.
We've been seeing that a lot with the Milka products. I mean, sometimes they're made in Germany, sometimes in Poland. Uh-oh, I see broken cookies. Oh. So a lot of them are broken, so they're not quite as cute as they could have been.
You know what, German food box? That's the last box.
Oh, almost every single one is broken, unfortunately. You want to take this half?
Sure.
Good as always. Just chocolate, plain old chocolate, milk chocolate on a kind of a buttery biscuit.
To me, it almost has a slight coconut flavor to it.
Yeah, I think I sense that as well.
3 cookies, 198 calories, FYI. But yeah,
definitely not low calorie. It does have hazelnut in it, hazelnut paste. I do not see coconut. I see cocoa butter though. Cocoa butter, and then there's also hazelnut. I didn't pick up on the hazelnut. It was not very, didn't come out very strong to me.
No, I was definitely tasting coconut, but
Yeah.
maybe it had something to do with having that gummy first.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I don't think we ever had any terrible products from this series of boxes, and we love Milka and gummies, but as I was saying before, I don't think we ever had really. Oh, this is clearly a stinker. Everything I think we had was so far pretty good. How about
Yeah,
you?
and I know we still have stuff to try. We'll probably be doing some of these in upcoming videos where we might make a meal or cook some of the items that we got in these packages. And that's actually the one thing I did enjoy about this box, because we do subscribe to other snack boxes. So basically they're just snacks we can easily try on camera. But these you can actually make some full meals out of them. Like, you know, you can pair these two together and make a nice meal along with the sauerkraut. So they do seem to do that in boxes where you can pair things together and make a complete meal.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to trying this. This looks really tasty to me. So I think that'll be good. You know, otherwise the only disappointment is I feel like there were a few repeats that we had seen before, and some of the stuff we wish we would see again, we didn't get to see.
Yeah.
How about you?
I would agree.
Yeah.
Also, it'd be kind of nice that if we had repeats, maybe kind of jazz it up a bit, and like we received curry ketchup, currywurst, maybe some more condiments.
Those were good. Mustard, I think they do send mustard sometimes.
Mustard.
We haven't received mustard. That would be a good one.
Yeah. So
Who knows? Maybe in our last box we'll probably get like a fabulous box. I'm a little worried that I quit right before Christmas, because I do recall the Christmas box last year was really good. We got Stollen in there, and that was really tasty. Though we know we can pick that up at some local stores.
oh, who knows? It might be one of those, valued customer, please stay with us. We'll put a little extra.
I don't know. So far I haven't gotten any emails from them.
Okay.
So anyway, if you like food unboxings, food tastings, and food reactions, subscribe to our channel. That's what we like to do here on Finn Loves Food. And until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.
I did the wave.
Okay.